How to log in Crunchyroll account. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to log into your Crunchyroll account. Whether you're watching your favorite anime or on your phone, computer or TV, I've got you covered. First, go ahead and open the Crunchyroll app, or you can simply go to the www.crunchyroll.com. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the website. Now here at the top you can see the sign in button. Simply tap on it. Here, as you can see, simply click on login. Now if you don't have an account, simply tap on create an account. Here what you need to do is enter the email address and password associated with the Crunchyroll account. If you haven't created an account yet, there is an option to sign up here. Here, as you can see, create one. Simply tap on that. Now if you have two-step verification enabled on your account, Crunchyroll will ask you to enter a code sent to your email or mobile number. Just check your inbox or your phone for the code and enter it on the screen. Now once you've entered your details and the code, you're all set. You're now logged into your Crunchyroll account. You can now start exploring all your favorite anime shows, movies and more. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Crunchyroll account and are ready to watch your favorite anime.